Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. How are you? I hope you are quite well, both physically and mentally. I am also well by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So, let us discuss the very topic. The name of our topic is right form of the verb. Right form of the verb. Before going to discuss, let us have a sound idea about verb. A verb is an action word. A verb is a word that describes an action, an event, or a state of being. Verb denotes two things, especially major two things. One is action, another is a state of being. Here, two examples are given here. He plays cricket. She runs first. He plays cricket. Here, the very word play is verb here. This very word play denotes action. Second example, she runs fast. Here, the word run denotes action. On the contrary, verb denotes or verb describes a state of being. Here, example, Nilu is busy. Here, the very word is verb. Here, is the very word is denotes a state of being. There is no action is mentioned here. Example 2, she feels tired. She feels tired. Here, she feels tired. Here, feels denotes a state of being. So, you are giving a sound idea about what is a verb. Then, the name of our topic is right form of the verb. Right, here the word right means authentic, genuine, form means shape, verb, an action word. There are many forms of verbs. We know there are major three types of forms of verbs. There are major three forms of verbs. We are given one is present participle. One is present form. 2, past form. 3, past participle. There are major three types of forms of verbs. 1 is present form, 2 is past form, 3 is past participle. Again, I am going to discuss. There are three types of forms of verbs we are given. 1 is present form, 2 is past form, 3 is past participle. Besides these three forms of verbs, we find another forms of verbs. Number 4. Infinitive form. Number 6, base form. Dear learners, We have discussed 6 forms of verbs. One is present form, 2 is past form, 3 is past participle form, 4 is ing form, 5 is infinitive form, and the last one is base form. Here I am to mention here there is a difference between present form and base form. There is a difference. Many learners or many teachers say that present form or base form are same. There is a difference between present form and base form. So what we have learned from this topic, we have learned that a verb is an action word. A verb is a word that describes an action, an event or a state of being. Okay? Then, especially verb denotes 2 things, major 2 things. One is action and another is a state of being. Here, for better understanding, we have given 2 examples. One is he plays cricket. Here, the word play denotes action. Here, second example, she runs fast. Here, the word run denotes action. On the other hand, a state of being. Verb denotes a state of being. Example, Nilu is busy. Here, the very word is verb. Here, is denotes a state of being. Second example, she feels tired. Here, feels denotes or describes a state of being. Then, we have also discussed various types of forms of verbs. The major forms of verbs are present form, past form, and past participle. Besides these 3 major forms, we have discussed 3 others: the ing form, infinitive form, and base form. In next class, we will discuss in detail various types of forms and the rules of right forms of the verbs. So, dear learners, wishing a bright future, wishing a sound mind in a sound body in this very pandemic situation caused by coronavirus, I wish a bright future for all of you. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.